New year begins with a new project, very quite interesting in Uganda district, 2026 project. Yes, do you wanna build commercial rooms for business? Do you want a lodge? Yes, accommodation. We have bricks here. Down what you're seeing are the trips of firewoods, and we are about to bring more. This is a very quite interesting project. All right, you can contact us. Yes, you can come to the inbox and we see what to do. How many days will it take to get burned? Yes, the burning process is about to start, but we have to add more trips of firewoods. Okay, it is located in Ajuma, West Nile, Uganda. Yes, some people categorize it from within northern Uganda, but we are located in West Nile, Ajumani. Yes, you can contact us. Very quite interesting. Thank you so much.